Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Chelsea Phillips. I am one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I would like to take you out on our lot today to show you one of our Sparks certified vehicles. Our certified vehicles include a 7-year or 100,000-mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. Let's take a look. Here we have a 2015 Toyota Tacoma SR5. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes equipped with power side mirrors, rain guards, lightly tinted glass, and much more. Thanks to a strong engine and versatile interior, the 2015 Toyota Tacoma remains a class leader. This Tacoma has 15-inch styled steel wheels and all-season tire with lots of tread left. There's also a full-size spare tire, rear splash guards, and a low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, the Tacoma is in great running condition. It has auto-off aero composite halogen daytime running headlamps, along with the tow hook and a really nice argent grille with a chrome surround to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 4-cylinder 2.7-liter engine with an automatic transmission. This Tacoma has rear-wheel drive, and it's estimated that drivers receive 21 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this Tacoma has only 40,886 miles on it. At the back of the Tacoma, you can see the antenna, the cargo lamp, and the sliding rear window, along with the bed cover, the step bumper, large LED brake lamps, and sleek chrome badging. In the back seat, you'll notice that this Tacoma has been very well taken care of. Passengers can use the cup holders and the door bends, as well as the underneath seat storage. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice chrome and metal look interior accents. Drivers and passengers will be very comfortable in the adjustable fabric seating. You also have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This Tacoma is also equipped with an in-dash storage, cloth door trim inserts, and map lights. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the power door locks, and the power windows with driver express down. This Tacoma has a very comfortable tilting, telescoping, and leather-wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. The center stack is home to your entertainment features. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with the CD player. It's MP3 and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and aux ports. The advanced system even has voice activation. You also have large climate controls, and everything that you see is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. Thank you for watching. Again, this is a Sparks certified vehicle, which includes a 7-year or 100,000-mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. It also includes a 160-point quality inspection by Toyota certified technicians, a lifetime Sparks Preferred customer program membership, a lifetime 10% loyalty parts and service discount, lifetime complimentary rental cars for any service over $400, a lifetime of discounted pickup and delivery for any service work here at Sparks, lifetime complimentary recall checks and Carfax reports, as well as a lifetime vehicle exchange program. We will buy your car at any time. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.